Hello, it's Jake and welcome back to another video. We're at our local scrapyard and we've come across these two Morris miners and they are, well, this one's an absolute mess. I mean, look at this. We've just found some documents inside. It's come from an airfield and I guess a pilot owned this because there's a lot of paperwork and plane bits inside. And then this one's a little bit better, but let's have a quick look at this one. Because what amazed me was, look how good the roof lining is. It's not even that good in our Rover Streetwise. We have found some paperwork. It looks like 1989 roughly would have been the last time this thing was on the road. And there's some paperwork on the top. That's how we know it's from an airport. And in the back, we've got some bits in there, drums, and there's a light, some brackets, some light bulbs. The bonnet's pretty ruined. The boot's not too bad. That one does have better body parts. This door looks like it's completely gone at the bottom. You can see there, that's just the bottom of the door. The seat frames look quite bad as well. Yeah, the seat frame's been ripped off. Some of this trim's really hard to get. Morris Miners ain't too bad, but no engine. The engine's gone on this one. This one, a little bit better condition. You can really see, let me just go back over to this one, how these go. So the joints to the doors and everything, basically your A-pillar, completely gone, shot. I will try a Morris Miner one day, not one of these though, unfortunately. But there might be one coming to the channel soon. You never know, but yeah. Look at that dashboard. It looks like they've chopped the dashboard up to get bits out. This scrapyard's great because you can come here with your tools and take whatever you want. But even the floors, obviously the sills go straight away. The roof line is not in this one. Someone's had this roof line in. The door cards look pretty poor as well. Purple carpet. I can see that. So this is our purple carpet. Okay. And if we go around to the back, there you go, there's the reg. If anyone wants to do a reg check, there you go, you can check it. So it's a minor 1000, so it only had the 1000 engine, not the, I believe you get 1100cc. That's been taken out of one of them. It's right next to a Mazda, Peugeot in front of it, and this lovely little red Mini. But let's have a look at the engine, because this one does have a remaining engine. What's left of it. There's not much under that, to be honest, but yeah, it's a shame. Yeah, we'll leave that like that for now. We'll put it down in a minute. The front bumper's gone. But yeah, I thought this would be an interesting quick look at these two cars, because it's a shame to see it, really. It really is, but these things happen. They are really a mess, but hey, there you go. There's two little cars, two little Morris Miners, and yeah, please remember to like and subscribe, and we might find some more cars today.